In today's world, having a security camera connected to your phone is a valuable way to ensure home safety in real time. Here's a simple guide on how to connect your security camera to your phone. First, ensure that both the security camera and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Most security cameras use a Wi-Fi connection to transmit video footage, which can be accessed via your smartphone. Check your camera's manual to confirm Wi-Fi compatibility. Download the app provided by your security camera manufacturer onto your smartphone. This app is crucial because it serves as the interface between your phone and camera, allowing you to view footage and control the camera settings remotely. Popular brands like Ring, Nest, or Arlo have their dedicated apps accessible through app stores. Once the app is installed, register an account or log into your existing account within the app. This step often includes user verification via email or SMS. Follow the app instructions to ensure your account is properly set up. Next, within the app, navigate to the Add Device or Connect Device section. This is where you will link your security camera to the app. Ensure that the camera is in syncing mode. For most cameras, this means turning it on or pressing a sync button. These details are usually provided in the camera's manual. The app will typically guide you through pairing the camera by displaying available devices. Select your camera from the list and follow any additional steps, such as QR code scanning or inputting a device code. Once paired, the camera will appear within your app's dashboard. Configure the camera settings via the app. You can adjust notification settings, camera sensitivity, and even customize your viewing options, such as live view or motion-activated recording. Ensure you test the feed to confirm the camera is streaming to your phone with proper coverage. Finally, it's essential to regularly update the app and the camera's firmware when prompted. Updates often include security patches and new features that enhance connectivity and performance. By following these steps, you can conveniently monitor your security camera's feed from your phone, ensuring peace of mind when you are away from home. Remember, each camera may have specific instructions, so consult the manual for any unique steps required for your model. Subscribe for more videos.